In this video, I'll explain about identity function and constant function. Let's see what identity function is. Suppose you have a set of real numbers which is denoted as R. Define the real valued function f from R to R by y equal to f of x, which is equal to x for each x belongs to R. Then such a function is called as the identity function, where the domain and range of the function are R. The graph is a straight line which passes through the origin. So this is what the definition, formal definition of identity function. You have the set of all real numbers as domain, and codomain is also set of all real numbers. In simple words, identity function means whatever input you give, the output will be same as the input. Suppose y equal to f of x, which is equal to x, is the identity function. Here I am giving 1 as the input, output is also 1. 2 input, 2 is the output. If input is 3.1, output is also 3.1. So y means it is always output, x is the input. So y equal to x means input is x, output is also equal to x. Then such function is called as identity function. Identity, the name says, it remains the same, no changes in the output. So for 1, x is 1, y value is 1. When x is 2, y value is 2. When x is 3, y value is 3. X is 4, y is 4. X is 0, y is 0. X is minus 1, y is minus 1, minus, like that. So when you combine all the points, you will get a straight line which passes through the origin. So the domain of the identity function is set of all real numbers. Range means all the outputs. Domain means all possible inputs. Range means all possible outputs for the given function. They are nothing but same as input. Therefore, range is also R. Domain, range. Then graph of an identity function is a straight line which passes through the origin. Now next, second function is constant function. Constant function means you have to define a function f from R to R by y equal to f of x, which is equal to some constant for all x belongs to R, where c is a constant and each x belongs to for each x belongs to R. Here domain of f is R and its range will be set containing c. So that is all about constant function. You have a function from R to R for which all the whatever input you give, output is fixed, output is a constant. So suppose if y equal to f of x, which is equal to 3, x is any real number, give any real number 1, output is 3. In this case, this example I have taken, if you input 2, output is 3. Input 3, output is 3. Means there is no change in the output. Output remains same, whatever may be the input. 3.1, 3.9, minus 2.5, whatever input you give, output remains the same. Such function is called as constant function. Now, when you draw the graph of constant function, see, for example, y equal to f of x, which is equal to 3 if I consider. For 0, it is 3. For 1, y value is 3. Y value means on the y-axis, x value is on the x-axis. 2, it is 3. 4, again it is also equal to 3. So in this way it continues. Therefore, this function is called as constant function, and graph of the constant function is always a straight line parallel to the x-axis. Is it above or below? That is decided by the value of the constant. If it is positive, it is above the x-axis. If the value is negative, then it is below the x-axis. So that is all about the constant function. Identity function means input and output both are same. Constant function means output is fixed for any possible value of input. Therefore, domain of this function, you can give any real number as input. Range is always fixed. In this case, it is set containing 3, or in any case, general case, it is set containing c. Based on that constant c, the range will change. So that is about identity function and constant function. Hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching.